Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Nissan Pathfinder garage door opener. First, let's clear any existing programming from your home link system. You'll find the 3 home link buttons conveniently located on your rearview mirror. To clear the memory, simply press and hold the 2 outer buttons simultaneously. Keep holding them for about 10 to 20 seconds until the indicator light starts flashing rapidly. Once it's blinking quickly, you can release both buttons. This ensures a fresh start for your new programming. Now, let's program a standard, non-rolling code garage door opener. Take your handheld remote and position it 1 to 3 inches away from the home link button you wish to program. With both hands, simultaneously press and hold your chosen home link button and the open button on your garage door remote. Keep holding them down until the home link indicator light changes from a slow blink to a rapid flash. This rapid flashing light means your device has been successfully programmed. If your garage door system uses a rolling code, there's an extra step. You'll need to find the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit itself. This button is usually on the back or side of the motor, often near the antenna wire. You might need a sturdy ladder to reach it. Once located, press and immediately release this Learn or Smart button. This action opens a 30-second window for the next part of the programming. With the 30-second window active, quickly return to your Nissan Pathfinder. Press and hold the home link button you just programmed for about 2 seconds, then release it. If the garage door doesn't activate, repeat this press and hold action up to 2 more times. Your garage door should now respond, indicating successful programming. Remember, home link is powered by your vehicle's battery, so no need to worry about changing remote batteries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.